Welcome. In front of me is a HOTWAV T5 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. Now to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool, similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could possibly use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now next, you'll need to pop off this little cover right here, which you should be able to do relatively easily with just your fingernails. Now under that we have the tray, and this little hole right here will be for the tool. So there we go. You want to push it in and the tray will pop out. Now for me, I don't have long enough fingernails, so I'm still gonna use this to kind of like wedge it out. Kind of like this. So now we can just take it out, and on the tray you have space for either two SIM cards. So you place one here, which is a dedicated spot, and then other SIM card will go sideways here. But I'm going to be using one of each, so instead of placing a second SIM card here, I'm just going to occupy the tray with an SD card. There we go. Make sure the cards are laying flush on the tray, and then carefully insert it back into your device. Now carefully, because as you've seen, there's nothing holding those cards in place, and they can easily fall out of the tray. There we go. Push it in all the way. Now I don't think you need to worry that much about getting it fully in there if you don't have long fingernails, because when you close this flap, it should push the tray all the way in place. And from there, the cards should start working right away. As you can see, it's telling me to put in my SIM card pin. So SIM card is working and SD card is working as well, which you can see right here based on this icon and in your notifications, where it will say that there's an issue with an SD card. Completely ignore this. So this is how you'd insert your SIM and SD card into this device. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.